Today is Friday, which means we give out our weekly award, the Schiffhead of the Week, named after Adam Schiff, one of the most corrupt individuals ever to be called a representative or senator from the United States. Adam Schiff. It could be anybody in the Democratic Party who voted for articles of impeachment against President Trump because he dare show strength against Iran and keep them from becoming a nuclear power. It could be any one of the Biden cabal who are now being called to testify before Congress, who knew that he was mentally incompetent, and what part did they have in the decision-making process in the Oval Office, and why didn't they report it? It could be AOC, who not only backed impeachment, but now we find out she actually lies about everything, like even where she is from. It could be the Ayatollah himself, who declared victory over the United States and Israel. But our Schiffhead of the Week is Antony Blinken, a former Secretary of State who came out criticizing the Trump administration for going out and dare have the gall and have the audacity to try and take Iran out of the nuclear weapon. Our Schiffhead of the Week, Antony Blinken, who was in the Obama administration that started this debacle by giving billions to Iran to rearm and spread terrorism. Antony Blinken, who was the Secretary of State under Joe Biden, who gave billions more to Iran to cause terrorism through subsidiaries in the Middle East and further nuclear ambitions. It was Antony Blinken who composed a letter saying that the Hunter Biden laptop was false information by Russian collusion and had 35 other liars sign it. Antony Blinken, our new version of Benedict Arnold, dares to go against the Trump administration while he himself almost single-handedly handed Iran the keys to the nuclear kingdom. Antony Blinken, the new version of Benedict Arnold, our Schiffhead of the Week. Watch the Howdy Boomy podcast, howdyboomy.com. God bless you. God bless America.